How to share the NGL link on the Facebook post. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share the NGL link on the Facebook post. The first thing you need to do is open up the NGL app on your phone. When you get into the NGL app, simply copy the link from here. After that, open up the Facebook account. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner and go into your profile. Once you get into your profile, click on the Add Your Post option. After that, paste the NGL link in here. Once you paste the NGL link in here, simply click to post it. After that, wait for it to get posted, and it will be displayed on your feed. Now, people can access your NGL link through this post. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.